on fire shattered the peaceful air along the weather-beaten and attenuated Waterworks Road on December 8th, leaving 43-year-old Vernon Auguste, known as Fat Dog of Wapatat Mondudor, dead. The fatal shooting, which occurred around 11:30.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. Right here we're talking about the 2-foot bandit or the 4-finger bandit. Fat Dog. Who was Fat Dog? This guy, as young as he looked, he was almost 50 years old. He's in his mid-40s. And he has lived a life of robbing, stealing, pillaging, murdering, you name it. Fat Dog has done it. Fat Dog, you can't even let him hear your kids' savings, cause he will thief all your kids' money. He will thief out things out of your house, and he will hurt you. My thing is, Fat Dog is the poster boy for the St. Lucia underbelly, and I am trying to figure out why St. Lucia is like this. But what I realize, see a lot of the youth them not go school. A lot of the youth them, for whatever reason, them can blame the government all them want. But me I go blame the fucking parents them. A lot of them youth didn't go to school. Let me reintegrate again. Fat Dog was a notorious robber and killer. Almost 50 years old. And still out there doing a whole bunch of crazy things. But I have to make the public know that. Now what is crazy is when things go down with them money, in the neighborhood. People come out on TV and they talk this, they talk that, they talk said and cow fat. And nobody is really talking the truth. Is it because people is afraid or what? My intel tells me that the person who slapped Fat Dog said that he is not hiding from police. Him nah run because Fat Dog deserve it. Now the person is from the Grass Street area and they are adamant that them nah run and them nah hide from police, and if police come look for them nah run because Fat Dog deserve it. Now, me I telling you something about St. Lucia. You see St. Lucia people them love for war. Them not have no form or reasoning, when it comes to certain things. Like Jamaica or even Trinidad. Even send kids other place, Grenada, the man them will come to an agreement and have some kind of order. You see, in a St. Lucia, it's Cowboy justice. That's how St. Lucia run. Not even street justice. Cowboy justice. One thing that comes across my mind is why would the man then brush him or the man brush him? What did he do for them? Is it something from the past? Did he violate? Did he go in someone's house and thief them kids' money? Cause he do them thing there. And me know say I one dangerous boy. Because I did a little synopsis video on him. And I realized that this guy here is very, very dangerous. And the reason why I said he is very, very dangerous is...
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
That youth here, let me tell you something. Him do some serious thing. Him slap where, me know the last man where him slap where. And like he must rob the man. Petty money and petty things. And slap with the man. I want bus stop. We know that for a fact. So I just want to see how deadly and dangerous the underbelly of St. Lucia is. Because when you look on a youth like this, you might think say, yo, him is a cool youth. Him can come on me yard, come check me. Me and him can chill, we can cook some food, we can run a boat, cook some food, rare. But the youth mentality was totally berserk, yo. Berserk to the point where him nah stop the way him do, it no matter what you do. So in some ways, you know, me nah justify no killing, but if the police nah do them job, then you have the gunman them on the street. Them are going to do for them job. That's all I can say about this. Unfortunate that the situation end up like that, because I now celebrate nobody getting killed. But the authorities them really need to do a little bit better in doing some intelligence work so them can get certain culprit off of the road. Cause that youth should have been in a prison a long time. You understand? But for some reason he was able to bob and weave through the system. Boom. A man catch him, violate a man, and a man slap him where. The man will slap him where say, yo, me nah hide, him no care, fat dog deserve it. Cowboy justice. That's how St. Lucia is. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.